know, the fast fashion. We got to get away from that. 2020, the year of growth, the year of saving our planet. You feel? Saving our planet.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love.
So, I tried to do my own closet clean out this summer, and I donated like a whole bag of clothes, maybe even 2 bags of just stuff that was worn out or I didn't really wear it anymore. I knew for sure I didn't really want to resell it. And I did a pretty good job, but then I look at my closet and there's still so much clothes in there. So, what I'm trying to do is be a year behind in this trend where the Marie Kondo phase was running rampant throughout the internet and everyone was piling up their clothes and kind of just getting rid of stuff that doesn't spark joy. Or that's what I heard repeated a lot. Does it spark joy? Does it spark joy? We are gonna pile it up, we are gonna sort it, and then we're gonna either Poshmark or donate. That's pretty much, all we're gonna go for.
Strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby.
Oh yes, oh yes. So this is just tops and not dresses and pants, but I think I'm gonna start with this just because if I stack more, it will not even be in the frame. Oh, I broke a hanger. Broke a hanger. Okay, cool. So we have our pile of shirts, sweaters, jackets, anything that kind of is a top that's not dress, romper, overall, or pants, and then obviously no shoes. So I think how I'm gonna do this is left Poshmark, right donate, and where did I put the keep? Guess I need a bigger bed. We'll do keep, Poshmark, donate. Okay, so let's see, we got this blazer, and I only have one blazer, and I do have to dress up sometimes, so we're gonna keep. So we're looking for sparking joy, apparently. That's what the goal is. Okay, let's do a little talk. So 2020, I want to focus on buying pretty much strictly sustainable brands or secondhand clothing, whether that be on Poshmark, Depop, ThredUp, or whether that just be from like your local Goodwill thrift store. In 2019, I wanted to work on that more and I didn't. So I really, really want to be committed to it this year where I actually am buying secondhand or I'm buying from sustainable brands, and mostly probably secondhand because sustainable brands are generally pretty expensive. Okay, pile, check. Too much talking, let's get it. So, I'm skipping pieces already because I'm like, I don't know. Oh, I have this cool piece sweater, and I'm also going to keep this one because I really, really enjoy this one. Again, we have this layering piece. So I'm just gonna fast forward through a lot of these clips because frankly, I talk too much about a lot of the clothes, pretty much every single item. So enjoy these montages. Well, I'm doing a bad job so far. Okay, come on. Let's see. This Catching Feelings sweatshirt, it's cute. But I mean, honestly, I sometimes wear the bed shirt, but I have enough bed shirts. So we are gonna donate this one. I don't think someone will buy this.
I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me.
That has like moth holes in it. Hello.
But I really wanna tell you that I still get good.
So I'm going to be moving in May, and I'll be on the West Coast more so area now. I'm hoping to go to Washington. So I know I'm going to need warmer clothes no matter what because I'll be in that area. Not like West Coast like California, but West Coast like where it's a little bit colder. So I'm definitely going to probably keep most of my sweaters that I wear, which includes these and this one. I bought this from an artist in Vancouver, and they actually did the hot dog little dogs themselves, and I really love this sweatshirt. It's one of my favorites, so we're gonna keep that. I feel like I'm doing a bad job at getting rid of stuff. I need to be more honest. This says there is no Planet B on it, but it's really, really thin, and I don't wear a lot, so I'm gonna donate this one, even though I like the message behind it. But it's also made from a company that really does fast fashion, so it's a little bit hypocritical. Oh! Wow. One hanger down.
Blessing, baby, in the
Urban Outfitters oversized tee. I bought this hoping to wear with leggings and stuff, and I've worn it maybe once, and it's just, it's very like pretty color palette. I love the color palette, but it just doesn't fit me perfectly. We were gonna sell this one. We added a wash pile now. Let us see. Again, good length. I have a lot of layering clothes. Golly. Okay, let's see. So this shirt, let me tell you, when I got this one, I thought it was so cute. Honestly, I mean, like, it is a cute shirt. A truck stop, but make it fashion, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's cute, but it's not really my style anymore. And I think someone else could rock this. So I think I am gonna sell this on Poshmark because it's in very good condition. Girl style, I think. Am I right about that? E-girl? E-girl. And I'm more of like, I don't know. I really don't know what my style is, but I don't think it's this. Okay, so we're gonna sell that one. And if this stuff doesn't sell before I move in May, I'm probably just gonna, I am just gonna donate unless I can find a friend to give this stuff to that wants it, so. Oh, another hanger. R.I.P. Okay. Maybe a bathing suit cover up, but like, why are you wearing long sleeves to like the pool? Okay, so this one's gotta go. We're gonna just donate her. This cute little cat sweater, but like, she's so cute, but do I wear her? The answer is no. With a hangover to 10 p.m., I'll say I'll never go again. No worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. No worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. And I think everything else that I left is also a keep. Is this cheating if I don't like finish my piles and instead go put everything back? Good vibes. Okay, yeah, everything else is a keep, so I'm not gonna start that. And I'm gonna put everything back essentially, and then we're gonna move on to pants, shoes, all of that good, sweet. We're gonna stop this film. Whoop. Okay, so essentially now we're just going to go through the pants, and I really enjoy fashion YouTube just because I've learned so much about what it means to really like try to be sustainable and what brands are actually doing behind the scenes. Okay, we're just going to get to the pants. Woo! Okay, catch you in a second. Alright, so I'm back now after this morning. And hopefully this light is okay. So we're gonna do dresses, bigger coats, and pants, rompers, overalls, pretty much everything I didn't do before. Okay. This little purple dress, again, has some really nice detailing on it. It's got this like, graph paper detailing. Graph paper, yes, graph paper, because it has these little polka dotty things on it. Again, thrifted Goodwill overalls, love them. They're kind of pinstripey print. Railroad worker print, that's what it is. That's the technical term. This full jean romper, this is like a vibe. It's like Ghostbusters robbed the Levi's store and they turned it into this jean jumpsuit. I love it. It's, again, I think I actually bought this from the Target clearance section, which I'll be avoiding the Target clothes. I really have been one to have been buying Target clothes as of recently because I like their Wild Fable line. But we are gonna be avoiding fast fashion as much as we can in 2020. We are done with piling and sorting. And the next step is going to be listing some stuff on Poshmark. Alright, so I'll catch you guys when I'm hanging up my other items.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.